Hello everyone, I'm Nivethitha, a PTE specialist at Y-Axis, and today we are going to discuss the scoring parameters of summarized written text. Why do we understand the scoring parameters? Why should we understand the scoring parameters? Only then will you know what has to be included. Have you met the demand of the item type? Without knowing that, if you just keep on practicing, it wouldn't be fruitful. So it is a must to know the scoring parameters so that we can include the respective factors in our responses. Yes. So we'll now discuss the scoring parameters for the summarized written text. And we have already discussed that it is for 7 marks. For one well written summary, we get 7 marks. And how are we evaluated? Based on what parameters? There are 4: content, vocabulary, grammar, and form. Okay. We have already discussed the constraints of writing a summary. We know that the summary should be of one sentence only and also within the word limit, minimum 5 to maximum 75 words. If you meet that, if you have written the summary in one sentence and the word limit is also met, you get 1 mark, that is 4. In case you have written the summary in one sentence, but not the word limit, 5 to 75 words. Instead of that, maybe you have written less than 5 words or more than 75 words, you will get 0. Or the word limit is met, maybe say you have written 37 words, but you have written multiple sentences. Even then, you get 0. So if your summary is one sentence and 5 to 75 words, you get 1 mark. If either of them is not met, you get 0. And the next criterion is grammar. When we combine our ideas together, we are going to summarize the text, right? So obviously we'll be using different sentence structures to combine or convey our ideas. Why we do that? If there is no grammatical error, we get 2 marks. In case there are some grammatical errors, but they are okay, it is perfectly alright, because when you try to convey the piece of information, it does not hinder you at all. The grammatical errors that you have made do not hinder you from conveying the idea that you intend to convey. In that case, you get 1 mark. If the grammatical errors are more and that do not help you convey what you intended to convey, you get 0. Likewise, vocabulary. Again, you're summarizing the text and it's very much appropriate to come up with your own set of words. You'll have to paraphrase the information while you summarize. And while you do that, if you have the best choice of words in your summary, you get 2 marks. In case you have used a word, maybe that is not the best suitable word, but okay. It does not change the meaning. Not a suitable word, but it does not change the meaning. You get 1 mark. In case you have used some words that completely change the meaning what you intend to convey, you get 0. Again, finally, it is content. If your summary has conveyed all the main ideas in the text, you get 2 marks. In case you have included only some of the main ideas, not everything, you get 1. And your summary does not convey what the text has discussed, you will get 0. So, content 2 marks maximum, vocabulary 2, grammar 2, form 1. So, in total, you get 7 marks, and according to the frequency of mistakes, the impact of the mistakes that you have made on your summary, you get 1 or 0, the least as well. So know these evaluation parameters and start practicing summarized written text so that you will score better. Thank you.